How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're going to be reviewing the JA300 by Lokithor. So this is a multi-function jump box. So it is a jump pack with a compressor capability as well, which is great for homeowners, technicians, etc., etc. Great to have in your RV, sporting events, stuff like that. So this thing does up to 30 starts on one full charge, which is great. Up to 1500 peak amp power, so that is great as well. It's a lot of power, very powerful. Has a nice grab handle here. Has a couple of the features we'll talk about in just a second. So it'll jump up to a 7-liter gas engine and a 4.5-liter diesel engine. It'll also inflate anywhere from 10 to 150 psi, so a 195 65 15 tire in 6 minutes from completely flat. In 8 minutes it'll do a 225 60 18-inch tire, in 9 minutes 245 55 19. So that is a great tool to have once again. And it is IP63 rated, spark proof, reverse polarity. If it's too cold, it won't work. If it has a short, it won't turn itself on. So a lot of safety features, so you won't cause any damage to the component, the vehicle, the RV, the motorcycle, whatever you're using, or yourself too. You won't cause harm to anything. So we're gonna flip this thing around here real quick and just turn this on. We're gonna power it on. So that is your charge status now. I've used this a little bit. I did charge it. I've used it a couple times already, which is great. And we could see our bar and PSI button right over here. So it's set to PSI, which is what I'm going to be using. If you use bar, then you just press the button once. So we'll set it back to PSI. And what's great is when you hook it up to the vehicle, you set your target tire pressure. Let's just say 37. And when you hook it up, and it's, let's say, at 25, it's going to continuously pump until it reaches about 37, sometimes 37 and a half, and stop automatically. So you're not going to have it continuously go on and overinflate it or anything of that nature. So that is great. This is all the adapters it comes with for balls and stuff like that. So if you're a homeowner, sporting events, that is great. This is the jumper cables here, nice and thick. They plug in right into here. So very cool. You can take them out so you don't have to walk around with the strings if you don't have to or if you don't want to. This is the compressor hose. Just screws into this cavity right over here. And then put this on a vehicle. Close it and you're hooked up. Very, very easy to use. Now it does come with the cable right over here to charge it. You could also have some output from this as well for phones, tablets, and stuff like that. All in here in this section. So has inputs and outputs right over here, which is great. Comes with a smaller bag or pouch for all the accessories, and then comes with a bigger one here if you wanted to put the whole unit inside of a bag, which is great. I like to keep everything nice and organized, which is good. So here at the vehicle, we have our valve stemps. So we have our compressor set up right over here. We're gonna turn this on. And let's say, for instance, it was nighttime. We do have our button here for our light, so we're gonna turn that on. Now, if you hold it again, it starts flashing, and a different flashing SOS pattern. So turn that off. Once again, we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna hook this up here. Give it some light. All right, so we are at 34.9. Our preset is 37. We're gonna hit pump, press and hold. So we have our test battery back there, and we have our jump box. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on real quick. All right, so 37 psi. It overshot it by about a psi and a half, which is okay. Still close enough to the target, in my opinion. Got the job done. So everything's good to go here. If we hook them up together, we get the red indicator, so nothing happens here. So positives on this side, negatives on this side. Let's go see what happens again. Again, error code, so we are good to go there. So let's wait for it. Okay, there. All right, 11.7, 11.6. That's our current battery voltage. So we know that it's low at this point. Could be a good possibility. The vehicle needs a jump start, and we're going to go ahead and jump start the car at this point. Nothing else additional is needed. You don't have to press any other buttons. So that's going to be basically it for this video, guys. Now, this is, again, the JA300. It does go for $119.95. And as always, check for coupons on the link that I'll provide in the description section down below. I'll also have a discount code. Always look for those in the same description section down below, and you can apply that at checkout on the Amazon link. So that being said, hopefully this video helps somebody out there, helps you make this purchase. I love these things. I love the grab handle. Love all the features and everything. The compressor, very convenient for a lot of different people. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.